How to fix Snapchat web camera not working. So if you want to fix Snapchat web camera not working, then what you need to do is you need to first just open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. Now the first thing you need to do is log in using your credentials. If you're using a Google Chrome, as you may notice that it gives you a notification that you need to click the lock icon in the address bar, allow your camera and microphone, and reload the page. After opening your Snapchat, you need to go with the top left, and it will give you the option of allowing your microphone and your video. So you just need to simply go and allow it on your Chrome browser, and it might fix your problem. That's one way for you to easily fix it. But if you don't have the Google Chrome, you are using a different browser, I want you to hover over to the avatar or your profile icon found on the top left corner, and then you need to click on the account settings option. From here, you need to log out of your account first and log back in. That's two ways, because sometimes Snapchat permission is always being fixed when you log out of your account. And the method 3 is involving your browser. Now, in my case, I'm using a Chrome browser. So you just need to simply go with your Chrome browser or any other browser, go with the three dots which will be in the top right, and then go with settings. Once you're in your settings, go with privacy and security, and then you need to go with site settings. Now under site settings, you need to scroll down and then go with permissions, and under permissions you need to go with camera and microphone and make sure that it is allowed for all of the websites that you are using, like for example Snapchat. Once done, you can come back, and then here under recent activity, you need to go with view permissions and data stored across sites. And then you need to scroll down and find the Snapchat option. Once you find the Snapchat option on the right side, you will have the drop down like this. You need to go with the drop down, and you need to go and delete the whole thing for Snapchat. And after deleting all of the data for your Snapchat, you need to come back to a new page, a new tab, and then log into your Snapchat again, and your problem may be fixed. Here, I have Snapchat, and under that I have 63 cookies. So I'll just simply go and delete the one which I don't need, and then I'll just simply go and sign in again, and it might fix your problem. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.